All right, guys, we're going to read page 20 from our physical science textbook, chapter 3, motion and forces. All right, we have a vocabulary word up the top, inertia. The tendency of an object at rest to stay at rest. The tendency of an object in motion to continue moving in a constant velocity. All right. Sir Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727, is considered by many people to be the most influential scientist in history. His most important contribution deals with force and the motion of objects. Newton developed 3 laws of motion. Newton's first law. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion keeps a consistent velocity unless it is acted on by a force. Newton's first law is also called the law of inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object at rest to stay at rest, and the tendency of an object in motion to continue moving with a constant velocity. For example, in the previous section, you read about a ball rolling along the ground. The ball has inertia. Its tendency is to keep moving forward at a constant velocity. However, the force of friction acts on the ball and slows it down. Let's look at the picture here. All right, so in a car accident, airbags act against passengers' inertia. So here we see an airbag and they're called dummies, is hitting the airbag, okay? All right, so let me start here. However, the force of friction acts on the ball and slows it down, eventually making it stop. The force acts on the object in motion to change its velocity. If an object is at rest, like your book on the table, its tendency is to stay at rest unless a force acts on it. If you push the book with your hand, the force of your push makes the book move. If no unbalanced force acts on the book, it will stay at rest. You experience inertia when you travel in a car. As the car moves forward, your body moves forward with it. According to Newton's first law, both you and the car have a tendency to stay in motion. When the force of the brakes is applied and the car comes to a stop, you can feel your body continue to move forward. Your body stays in motion because of inertia. The force of your seat belt and the friction between your body and the seat stop your forward motion. The seat belt and friction provide an opposite force to your forward motion, which makes you stop moving. All right, that was page 20.